In 3, 2, 1. Hey, it's me, Nathan Bryan Strunk, as Nate-Dogg, B.o.B, Swagg, and I'm bringing you this brought to you by product. That fake replica Android smart tablet review wasn't as good, but I'm gonna make up to that for this old product that I should have reviewed 4.5 years ago. Well, I didn't get it that long ago, but you get the idea. This is actually about 2 years old to be exact. How fascinating. It says GARMIN, see? As in, give it GARMIN. Give it GARMIN. No. This is far worse than GARMIN. Because this, I believe, I got at a garage sale for $10 frickin' dollars. When it should have been $5. Because, you see, when I try to upload music, it completely goes crazy and shit. But yeah, here's the device itself. It comes in this nice case at least. It's a pocket for a stylus, see? Which I got for a 3DS stylus. XL, you see, in quotations. But yeah, here it is. Right here, if I can get the damn thing open for speaker mode. Yep, here it is, buddies. As you can see, I'm going to put some more songs. First things first, music. But in comparison to this is actually not bad. We're gonna in the viewfinder, it looks like the screen is flashing back and forth. Anyway, here's a song I'm gonna put in quotations. 153. No. Okay, scratch that. It's not 153. Let me turn the volume up. This thing has a bloody speaker, except when it's on full volume. Did I say 153? I meant 213. Here it is. This is Brett Eldredge. Something I'm good at.
Never met a dance floor that ever did me any good. Oh, I can't change the world, no, I can't change a flag. You can give me your heart, girl, well, you may never get it back. You said you never smile again, but I don't know, here it comes, would you look at that? I finally found something I'm good at. I got a poor sense of direction, sometimes too strong of affection for a whiskey made in Lynchburg, Tennessee.
That was a sample of the song. You can listen to the full one on YouTube if you like. Oh, here's a good one. Shimmys remix of Not Afraid of, Written in the Stars by Eminem, featuring Tinie Tempah along with Eric Turner. Here they are. Duration 3 minutes and 35 seconds. 3:35. That was a nice song. And last but not least, this song. Duration 5 minutes and 2 seconds. By Mario Vazquez. It's called Gallery.
Making you never wanna breathe again. Her boyfriend has got so much dough, so much ice his neck and wrist froze. Is he faithful to her? Hell no. But she chose to be with him, shorty. Tell me, is the money worth your soul? Tell me, what's the reason that you hold on when you know that dude has a whole wall of them just like you? And girl, you're just way too fine. Got to be treated as one of a kind. Girl, use your mind. Don't be just another dime, because I can't take seeing you with him, cause I know exactly what you'll be.
And the last feature I want to show you on here is not just world clock and world map, which is right, but I also want to do picture viewers. Ha! As you all noticed, that's the girl I used to have a crush on in high school, Samantha. You know Samantha Smalls? Well, you probably don't know her, but I sure in hell do. And that's that damn girl that was in my dreams, in the good dreams. She was in one of my dreams. That's where she got mad from. That's the same girl. She's nice and hot, but she can be a little, yeah. But anyway, moving from that, we got the Nintendo DS collection and PSP 3000 collection of colors. Huh, bloody hell, ain't it? That's darn right. Then we got this jackass. We got this. Ooh, is that that's a horse. What's it running to? Huh, sure in heck is in the barn. Then we got the darn milky cow. And yes, we do got another heifer. Oh look, there I am. Next. Too boring. Hey, look, right there I am again in these pictures. And look who we got here. My cousin, me, question mark, wait, what in the world? Question marks. And, well, you get the old idea. Just basically me and my cousin. But the same cousin all over again. And we all thought that was just a wrong incident. And then we all just forgot about it and moved on. But, okay. That all ties up about, well, there's audiobook player too, but who needs audiobooks? And who needs to convert currency? What are we going to do with themselves? What are we going to do with ourselves if we want to purchase one of these GARMIN nuvis? But anyway, that was the review of the GARMIN nuvi amplified speaker GPS monitoring MP3 player, which I like to call the MP5-Player. Oh wait, that's not it. MP6-Player. The red thing was the MP5-Player. This thing is basically included as an MP6 player. Have you ever noticed MP6 players are popular nowadays? Back then they weren't even known as, till MP3 players were aftermarkets. Nowadays you find them more. But anyway, that's the look at that. And that's the look at this GARMIN thing. Hopefully you do, guys, enjoy by liking that button, by mashing that like button, as well as subscribing it. Even if you haven't already, try to subscribe and stay subscribed, please. But don't forget also to rate it positively, as well as leaving a positive comment down below. Thank you, and I'll catch you on the next one, alright? Thank you. Okay. See ya. Bye. Peace.